Howdy. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. And I just got done work and I'm feeling kind of hungry. I think I'll make a grilled cheese. I know what you're thinking. Grilled cheese? Seriously? But wait, you haven't tasted grilled cheese like this. You want to see how I make my grilled cheeses? Follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Wilson, I made one for you. Just like my mom used to make. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.